Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get Fortnite skin for free. Well, here are some options to consider. Twitch Prime. If you have an Amazon Prime account, you can link it to your Twitch account and claim free Fortnite skin as a part of Twitch Prime. Battle Pass. By purchasing a Battle Pass, you can earn skins and other rewards by completing challenges and leveling up your account. In-game event. Fortnite often hosts in-game events that offer free skins and other rewards for participating. And last, giveaways and contests. Some Fortnite content creators and website host giveaways or contests where you can win free skins. However, be cautious of scam and make sure to only participate in legitimate giveaways and contests. So that's how to get free Fortnite skins. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.